Hey everyone, Moonborn here. Have you been wondering what programming is? Well, programming is the process of giving a set of instructions to a computer that describe how a task should be accomplished. And these instructions are given using programming languages like Python, C++, C#, and many others. Once you write your program, it is then translated into a machine language, or in other words, to binary ones and zeros, so that the computer can understand and execute the program. Here's an example code in Kotlin. It looks like a weird form of English, right? Well, here we just give commands to a computer, and in this case, we say when a click is performed on our green box, make its color red. Very simple, right? Well, this is the building block of programming. At the end, it's just like giving commands to a very obeying dog. Although it might seem easy at first, but programmers all around the world are always fighting against bugs. A bug, very terrifying word for a programmer, is another term in programming which means that there was a mistake in one part of your code and the computer didn't understand what you said. Despite all that though, programming is a great way to create your own cool software. And if you want to become a programmer, just ask yourself, do I like creating? Because as you might already know, with programming, you can create loads of cool and helpful software, starting from games with unique worlds to mobile applications to deliver your food, and even rockets that take humans to outer space have thousands of lines of code. So it totally depends on you. Whatever you want to create. Once you learn the right tools, you can create cool programs and even change the world. You just have to outlast the bugs. So you might be wondering, how can you create your own game or even next Instagram? Well, just like I did when I was a beginner, you can start watching online tutorials where you can learn basic concepts like variables, functions, OOP, object-oriented programming. These concepts are used in every field of programming, so it is a great way to start your journey creating awesome applications and winning the ever-going battle with bugs. If you like the content and find it helpful, you can buy me a coffee with the link in the description. I'll be very grateful and even more motivated to make things simpler for you.